guys, it's Miwa and welcome back to e-Basho Media. So today it's already middle of June, but it's so chilly surprisingly, and I'm really hoping that we're gonna have even one day of proper summer, but we'll see. So anyway, today's topic is a road trip in Summerhill. You know what? Once you start to look for your house, one thing that you might not be sure about is probably rumor. You know, you might hear something negative about particular places and you might feel worried. And at least this is my experience. I was really worried when I heard negative news, negative reviews about areas like that. And so, what's it actually like? And particularly, I heard a lot about Summerhill. So, where is Summerhill? So, according to the Irish Times, it starts from Sheriff Street to the east, Mountjoy Square to the north, and it's bordered by O'Connor Street and River Liffey. So it's relatively a small area, and according to the report, it says people there don't quite participate in education, and the particularly male unemployment rate has reached up to triple the national average. Also, drug addiction is quite a big issue there, and a lot of community projects have been practiced, like drug projects and redevelopment projects up until now. But hey, we see a lot of ad listing for apartment share, flat share in around Summerhill, and some of you might probably be wondering, hey, what's it like to live there? So, I've decided to make a walking tour on main road of Summerhill, just to give you an overview or a brief idea of what it's actually like to walk there. But just as a side note though, I didn't go into residential areas just because I didn't want to, interrupt the local people. But I'm really hoping that you can get like a brief idea there. So guys, let's get started. I've realized that Summerhill is such a convenient place where you can find Spar, which is like a convenience store, a pharmacy is there, takeaway shop is there, and also you have a cyclist shop as well. Summerhill is famous for its Georgian-style houses, but also there's a modern, gated apartment complex like this as well. According to their website, Summerhill Primary Care Center provides a wide range of services such as public health nursing, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, speech and language therapy, psychology, disability, and many more. By the way guys, there are a lot of trash cases like this around Dublin city centre, and personally, I find it quite useful. There's a coffee shop around the corner, we have a grocery store there, And even more, we have a dry cleaner there, and here is another convenience store. So guys, my overall experience there was perfectly fine. I mean, I didn't feel unsafe or anything. It's just what I would advise you to do on the street. It's just mind your step, if you know what I mean, because it was not really clean there. But other than that, that was fine. But just one thing, in the daytime, that was fine. But in the nighttime, of course, that you just as you might do in other places, in other countries, just take a good care of yourself. All right. So thank you very much for watching, and I'm hoping to see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.